Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Sure, I'd be happy to provide you with a tutorial on how to get the uncompressed size of a .gz, gzip, file in Python. Gzip is a popular file compression format, and you might want to determine the uncompressed size of such a file for various purposes. To accomplish this, you'll need to use the gzip module in Python. Here's a step-by-step tutorial with a code example. Step 1. Import the gzip module. You need to import the gzip module, which is part of the Python standard library and allows you to work with Gzip-compressed files. Step 2. Open the .gz file. You should open the Gzip-compressed file using the gzip.open method. This method will return a file object that you can use to read the compressed data. Replace your _file.gz with the path to your Gzip-compressed file. Step 3. Read the uncompressed data. Now that you have the file object, you can read the uncompressed data and calculate its size. The read method of the gzip file object will return the uncompressed content as bytes. Step 4. Get the size of the uncompressed data. To get the size of the uncompressed data, you can use the len function, which will give you the number of bytes in the data. That's it. You now have the uncompressed size of the .gz file in bytes. You can replace the print statement with any further processing or storage you need to perform based on this size. Here's the complete code example. Make sure to replace your _file.gz with the path to your Gzip-compressed file, and the code will give you the size of the uncompressed data in bytes. ChatGPT